nice evening, in shape for us as we look ahead to tonight. But here's your temperatures. We're 93 out at the airport, 91 in Las Cruces, up in the mountains, 60s and 70s. Very nice in the Sacramentos. You notice out there in Sierra Blanca and Van Horn, mid and upper 80s over there. Time change, we've been talking about that yesterday. Doesn't occur until the first Sunday in November. For some reason, some folks were thinking it was taking place this weekend, but we still have, some time before we change the clocks back 1 hour. Here's a look at our latest future track computer model. Next several days, really, we're going to be looking at nice conditions tonight. A few clouds, maybe a few isolated showers up there in the Gila, but that should be about it. Tomorrow morning, we have lots of sun in store as you head out and start off your Saturday morning. Throughout the day, mainly sunny, and then by the evening, we are going to track some clouds. If you're going to be hanging around and you look up to the north and to the northwest, you're going to see some of those clouds developing out there. I'm not anticipating any rain, but here's our particular model run, 1 o'clock Sunday morning, and you could see maybe a few isolated showers could pop up. But 7 o'clock on your Sunday morning looks good. A few scattered clouds. We do have that chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the forecast later Sunday. We're going to be tracking a cold front that'll be swinging through here. There's a look at 7 o'clock, and you kind of make out a few of these spotty showers, these isolated variety showers that will likely develop, all going to continue to make their way down towards the north. The front will move through here. The front is going to have some winds with it, also some cooler temperatures. So we're going to see those temps drop down early next week to a little closer to the averages or normals for this time of year. But you folks still on the west side of town, we tweaked it just a bit. A little bit earlier, noon to 7, 35-mile-an-hour gusts. That should be the peak wind gust, primarily on the west side of town. So not terribly windy, but certainly windier than what we have been seeing for quite some time. Look at the temperatures tomorrow. Another hot day for this time of year. Another day of temps in the low to mid-90s. Doña County for you. La Union at 93, Vado at 92. We got Chaparral at 93 degrees. Here's how it looks overnight tonight. 66 degrees will be the overnight low. Sunset time at 7:01 now. Tomorrow, have a sunrise time for you, 6:54. So 6 minutes before 7 o'clock, 93. Get the high temperature. 62 overnight in Las Cruces. Your high temp tomorrow will make it up to 90 degrees. And here comes the next several days. There's your chance of seeing some rain as we make our way into Sunday early next week. It's just slight chances. It's not going to be a big-time rain event coming our way. But you notice those temperatures going to be cooling down into the low to mid-80s much of next week. Nice little change, Mark.
It is a nice little change. Thank you, Doppler.